Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain structure of C program. What is a structure of C program? If you want to write a C, if we want to write a program in C language, then you have to follow some steps. This is the block diagram for C program. In this, we are having different sections. First one is documentation section. Next one is link section. Next definition section. Next global declaration section. Next main section. In that main section we are having two parts, declaration part and executable part. Next subprogram section. In that subprogram section you are having functions, that means user defined functions. This is the block diagram for structure of a C program. First one is documentation section. These sections consist of a set of command lines giving the name of a program. When the program would like to use a letter. In this we are having two type of command lines are there. First one is single line command line, next multiple line command line. In the program, we have to write a program name as simple, then we can use single line command line. Or you have to write total program, then you have to use multiple line command lines. Here is the two types of command lines in documentation section. Next, link section. Link section provides instructions to the compiler to link functions from the system library. Here is the example for link section. Hash include sto.h. What is the meaning of that one? Standard input output function. In a C program, you have to read the values or print the values by using printf and scanf. The two functions are available in sto.h header file only. Next, definition section. Definition section defines all symbolic constants. That for the example of definition section is symbolic constant is hash define a space 10. I can give the value of a as 10. So I can define hash define a space 10. Next, global declaration section. Some of the variables that are used in more than one function throughout the program are called global variables and declared outside of all the functions. This section declares all the user defined functions. Next one is main function. Every C program must have one main function section. This contains two parts. First one is declaration part and second one is executable part. Declaration part. This part declares all the variables used in the executable part. Here is the example for declaration part. I can take two variables a and b with the data type int. So here I can declare the variables. So this part is called as declaration part. Next, executable part. This part contains at least one statement. These two parts must appear between the opening and closing braces. The program execution begins at the opening brace and ends at the closing brace. All the statement in the declaration and executable parts end with a semicolon. Next, subprogram section. This section contains all the user-defined functions that are called in the main function. User-defined functions are generally placed immediately after the main function. This is the example for structure of a C program. First, my hash include sto.h. This is the library function. Next, void main function. Next, body. Program body is placed in between open and closing braces. So this is the body of the main function. Next, subprogram section. In this program, I cannot use any function user defined function. So I cannot write any subprogram section. Thank you.